Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about an advanced usage for whereHas method, and let's check our user model. Here I have a one-to-many relationship between users and posts, and here in our database inside posts table I have 3 posts for user ID number 1, and for likes count column here we have this value. And I will show an example here of using whereHas method. As most of us know, posts, and we will write a query here using query builder. For example, I want to fetch in user has posts, and each of these posts for likes count must be greater than 500, for example. So I would say likes count greater than 500, and I will say get back and refresh. We can see it returns user ID number 1. But if we check here, the whereHas method takes another 2 parameters. The first one is the operator, as we can see here, greater than or equal 1. And this applied for our query because we have 2 rows that greater than 500. For example, I will show you it again here. We have relation, and we have the closure or the query, and we have operator. Let's set the count for 3. Here I will say count and 3, which means return any user has at least 3 posts, and these 3 posts, the likes count of them must be greater than 500. If we back and refresh again, it returns null because I have only 2 rows or 2 records that's greater than 500. We can also manipulate the operator. So I can say, for example, less than 2, back and check, and works also, but for user ID number 2. This user ID number 2 has no posts, and also the posts count, which has likes count greater than 500, is 0, and also this applies the query and works correctly. Also, the summary here, you can use these 2 parameters, especially count parameter, to execute complex query in easy way inside the Laravel context. That's it. See you next video.